welcome back to my channel. So it's another section with Ella Mike. Welcome to the family. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome. So guys, you guys are going to bear with me today. I'm not so good today by the side of my lips here. I was not really strong. I've been ill, but I just decided to film this video for you guys. So today guys, I'll be showing you my updated skincare routine for here. Since I came here, I've not seen the product, and when I went to the drugstore, I was so happy that I got these products. For this tutorial guys, I was even so surprised that I could see this product here. Like, I didn't even expect it because I've been looking for the product for a while. I couldn't find it. And mostly, if you see most of my videos guys, if you see, I've been using Dr. Rachel the serum. Yeah, that's the one I've been using mostly. So when I got to this drugstore and I found out they had most of these Nigerian products, I was so amazed, and I had to grab what I had to grab because I mostly used it back then, and it was really good for my skin. So guys, I started using these products. I've not gone so far, but let's say for a week and for 2 weeks now, I've been using some of these products, and they are really good. They are really good for my skin, and I really want to share it with you guys, my best opinion. So stick with me while we go for the tutorial of today. Don't forget, I've always told you before you start any routine, because now I'm going to bed actually. Since I finished that makeup routine, I'm going to be using my micellar cleansing water to cleanse my face. All my routines so far that I have been using this simple for a long while, because I don't know, it's just so nice, and it's not really harsh for my skin, and I just really like it because it contains even the vitamins I want. So what's the essence of me using? Then I was using Clean and Clear, but the other products like, and it was really giving me eczema scales and all that. It was not my color at all, but this simple has been very nice to my skin, and I don't think I want to change this for a long while. So I recommend this for everyone who has sensitive skin and dry skin. So I'm using the hydrating cleanser now. So I'm going to be using this cleanser to wash my face. For the wash section, and so now we're going to use the cleanser. Did I use this, or guys, you can use this as well. I recommend any of them. Is really nice, but the difference between this and this is that one contains salicylic acid. It's actually hotter than this one. They don't have the same ingredients being used. If you don't see this in the market guys, you can use this one. I wanted to see the difference between them, because since they do the same work and they have the same ingredient, slightly the same ingredient, but just a little bit of different, because this one also contains vitamin E and aloe vera, but this one doesn't contain. So I wanted to see the slight difference between both of them. So this is what I did guys. I left this one for 1 month, and I used this one, and I saw that this one was really harsh for my skin. I don't use it all the time guys. I use once or twice in a week. But if it was this one guys, I use this one like mostly every day in a week. I recommend baby oil all the time. This is a new product I got, this vitamin C, and it's really good because it also contains the hyaluronic acid, and I really love it guys, because it's really good and it's really soft. Hydrogen gel boosts guys, this is really soft. I was using it back then in Nigeria. This wasn't here. I didn't really see it because I was really looking for it, and I didn't really see it. This and the eye cream guys, I've seen difference in my eyes now. Like, then my eyes used to be really dark. I'm good. I left a video, guys, set for you guys. It has done wonders. Like, I'm going to be showing you guys both of them, like this and the eye cream. These and the eye cream, guys, both of them wonders. So these are my updated skincare routine because I've been using them, and obviously I've not really seen any wrinkles or dull skin anymore. No dull skin. Simple moisturizing lotion, always still working the bay, like it's still good. Guys, if you really enjoyed this video just the way I enjoyed filming it for you guys, and I really want to go to bed, so please don't forget to share with your friends, share, and also give me a thumb up as well as subscribing. Thank you so much, and I want to see you next time on all my videos. Any question you feel like you want to ask, you can leave in the comment section. I'm here to answer you guys. Bye for now.